There are many ways by which mixtures can be separated.
One way is by simply picking big substances from a mixture. Another way is by using mesh wire to separate the big solid particles from the small solid particles. Still, another way of separating solids from liquids is by using a cloth filter that will allow the liquids to pass through, leaving behind the solid particles.
There are many more ways in separating mixtures like evaporation, distillation, and using magnets. We need soil, screen wire, water, cloth, and 2 glass jars.
Read these questions that you will answer later. First, mix water and soil in the first glass jar. Describe the soil and water mixture. Second, put cloth over the screen and place them over the second jar's mouth. Third, pour the soil and water mixture from the first jar into the second jar. Observe what happens to the water and soil mixture. Answer these questions.